Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TeamViewer on Linux. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the terminal on your Linux machine. Ensure your system is up to date by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install any available updates with the command sudo apt upgrade. To install TeamViewer, you need to download the latest version. Visit the official TeamViewer website to find the Linux version. Copy the download link for the Debian package. Back in the terminal, use the get command followed by the link to download the package. For example, type get, paste the link here. Once the download is complete, you need to install the package. Run the command sudo dpkgi teamviewer_star.deb. If there are missing dependencies, fix them by running sudo apt install f. After the installation is complete, launch TeamViewer. You can find it in your application menu or by running the command TeamViewer. When TeamViewer opens, agree to the license agreement. You are now ready to use TeamViewer on your Linux system. To connect with others, share your TeamViewer ID and password. Configure additional settings based on your preferences. And that's how you install TeamViewer on Linux. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.